So today on the channel, we're gonna do a little bit of this versus that. That's right, your handy dandy DeWalt side grinder versus a plasma cutter. Does the ArcCaptain plasma cutter live up to the hype? We're gonna find out today. Let's get into it. The plasma cutter that I'm using in this video was sent over to me by ArcCaptain. It is their Cut 55 Pro. It's a dual voltage, 120 or 240. Comes with the adapter. It's got a pilot arc. Super lightweight, super clean cuts. Shout out to ArcCaptain. We are going to do a series of 5 cuts. 16 gauge, 1/8 inch, 10 gauge, 3/16 inch pipe, and 1/2 inch bush hog blade. So this will be a timed test. First cut will be the 16 gauge sheet metal. Alright guys, so obviously it goes without saying that a plasma cutter should be faster than a side grinder with a cutting disc, but this is a fun little way to test out the ArcCaptain plasma cutter while also seeing exactly how much faster is a plasma cutter versus a cutting disc. Alright, next test will be the 10 gauge metal. Alright guys, so I'm going to talk you through this cut. Obviously, this is me showing that I'm a rookie at using a plasma cutter. It would have did a great job, and for the sake of time, I didn't redo this same cut, but the problem I was having was 1, rotating it, and 2, the slag or melted metal from the cut on the top was falling and basically re-welding the pipe back to itself, if that made sense. So this cut could have been a whole lot faster, but we'll blame it on operator error, clearly. Yeah. Alright, so here we go attacking the 3/16 inch pipe with the handy dandy old side grinder. Like I mentioned, the Cut 55 Pro would have did a great job had it not been for user error. The melted metal was just basically re-welding the pipe together, and right here you can see I'm using the grinder in my right hand, which is my dominant hand. I think when I did the plasma cutter test on this same pipe, I was using the plasma cutter in my left hand. So as you can see, that made the grinder win in this category. Alright, here we go. ArcCaptain Cut 55 Pro tackling the 1/2 inch. This is a 1/2 inch thick bush hog blade. And we'll go ahead and venture to say, again, I am not a pro with the plasma cutter. I've used them several times in the past, but it's just here and few and far in between. But this thing tackled this like a champ. Now, as you're going to notice with the side grinder, this takes forever. And for the sake of trying to get accurate results for the video, I did get after it and try to cut it as quick as I could for comparison's sake. Any of you guys that use side grinders know if you try to force it, you will wear out your cutting disc very quick. And if you continue watching, you'll see that's exactly what I did. It almost goes from a brand new cutting disc down to almost nothing left of it. Now, obviously, this video was a fun way to test how a cutting disc would compare to the ArcCaptain plasma cutter, and it just shows you will save yourself tons of flap disc. There's areas that a plasma cutter can cut that a side grinder can't. And did I mention metal shavings that are flying around your shop from the metal itself and the cutting disc, you're going to save your lungs and keep yourself from dirtying up your shop with the plasma cutter. Again, I'm giving you feedback. It's quicker. It saves a lot of time. There is still jobs for a side grinder, but cutting through 3/4 inch metal is just not ideal. It can be done, and I've done it a lot of times. But as you can see here, the old side grinder is, I'm trying to flip this material over just to give it the best advantage here and to finish that cut off, because my cutting disc has gotten smaller and smaller and smaller. But yeah, obviously we all know a plasma cutter is faster than a cutting disc, but this is a fun way to test out the ArcCaptain plasma cutter. Alright, so the footage you're seeing right here, guys, is when I first got the plasma cutter in, and I actually used it to cut out my wife's old, rusted, damaged radiator support on her 240Z. And for all the cracks, crevices, bends, it was awesome to get in there and cut that thing out. So not only will the ArcCaptain plasma cutter cut thick metal, medium metal, it'll also cut sheet metal. If you use the link I have in my description and the discount code, you can save a little bit of money. Head on over to ArcCaptain's website. They have deals going on all the time. Check them out, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this fun little video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.